Good morning. It is Friday, and so it's our last smoothie for this week, the last week in June. And today's smoothie is Cranberry Grapefruit Dream, which, as implied by the title, is the fruit is cranberries and grapefruit, half of one, and the greens are 1 cup of spinach and 1 cup of mixed greens. And the way to measure what a cup of greens are, just kind of a big handful. Just grab, a claw machine, big old handful. If you end up with more than a cup, well, that's okay, because you always need to have more veggies in your life, and smoothies are a great way to get more veggies in your life. And more veggies leads to weight loss and, well, just general better health, really. Don't focus on weight loss as a goal. Think of it as a side effect for a healthier life. So let's fire her up. It looks like we've got her all mixed up very well. Okay, let's give it a pour. Oh yeah. These are probably a lot smoother, owing to the fruits being a lot waterier. The grapefruit contains quite a bit of liquid. And today's pet star for the smoothie is Rocky. He is an African gray. He is about 26 years old. And he's going to go camera shy on me, although he was just talking and doing quite a bit of monologue as I was walking. Oh, there we go. Yes, let's hide behind things. Make sure nobody hears you. Let's give this a taste. This one's actually pretty good. You really don't taste any of the grapefruit. Okay, there's a little bit of a grapefruit aftertaste. Okay, no weird chunks that have settled to the bottom. This one's actually pretty good, surprisingly enough. And this is all the poop and of course the fruits and veggies he rejects. I cut up quite a bit for him and for the cockatiels as well. And half of it ends up inside them, and the other half ends up at the bottom of the cage. Sometimes Annabelle does a little cleanup on their behalf. Of course, they don't show any gratitude for that either, and of course I do it. Of course, you gotta clean up after the guys as well. And anyway, for those of you in the United States, have a happy 4th of July. And as usual, the recipe will be in the description, along with some calorie statistics and carb statistics, which I get those based on sparkpeople.com, which is a really free health and fitness community, and great for keeping an honest food journal. And that's something I would suggest you try on your first journey towards a... Say something? towards your first journey in having a healthy lifestyle. And yes, a healthy lifestyle can include beer. Not for the bird, but can include beer. But you know, just the act of writing it down and being aware. And of course, the important part in writing it down is, or recording it somewhere, is being honest with yourself. So you know, give that a try this weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend.